Okay, children, place your hands on your eyes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Please remove your hands and open your eyes. Let us clap for meditation. Unmute Chaitana. Thank you, meditation. Everyone should repeat. Children, everyone should say with open heart. நம்ம மனசு திருப்தியா நாம தேங்க்யூ சொன்னா அந்த தேங்க்யூஸோட கவர் அதிகமா
Thank you, meditation. Thank you, meditation.
Thank you, meditation.
Thank you, meditation. Thank you, meditation.
Repeat after me correctly. Thank you, energies.
Thank you, energies.
Thank you, Patriji.
Thank you, Patriji.
Thank you to this whole nature.
Thank you to this whole nature.
Thank you to our parents.
Thank you to our parents.
Thank you to all masters and gurus.
Thank you to all masters and gurus.
Thank you to Mother Earth.
Thank you to Mother Earth.
Thank you to ourselves.
Thank you to ourselves.
Thank you to 5 elements.
Thank you to 5 elements.
Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Samasta Paramo Dharmaha. Sakara Jagat ki jai. Sakara Jagat ki jai. Sakara Jagat ki jai. Aham Brahmasmi. Means I am Brahma.
I am Brahma.
Tattvamasi. You are also Brahma. Tattvamasi.
Tattvamasi.
I am Atma Brahma.
Atma Brahma.
That means My Atma is Brahma. Okay. So everyone together. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Nandri, Nandri. Okay. I will ask you questions. Everyone should answer. Okay. What is meditation?
Meditating which gives relaxation to our mind. Breathing.
Observe. Very good. Very good. Observing our breath is wait. Observing our breath is meditation. Making mind empty also meditation. Good. And then why we are doing meditation? Very good. Very good. What happens in meditation?
You can feel so many.
We can see so many experiences. We can see our emotional body.
Wait, I will tell. In meditation, when we become empty-minded, cosmic energy floods in ourselves, flood into ourselves. Okay, floods into our energy body. What happens in meditation? If you ask someone, you should say, when mind becomes empty, everyone.
When mind becomes empty.
When mind becomes empty.
When mind becomes empty.
Brahma opens.
When
Brahmaran, here we have Brahmaran that will be opened. Then cosmic energy floods inside our energy body. Okay? If anybody asks what will happen in meditation, you should say. Then what is that cosmic energy does? It cleanses our energy body. Okay? And many more things. But you tell these few things from today. Okay? And today we have Mrs. Lavanya ma'am as our guest. Hello ma'am.
Hello. Hi.
అందరినీ మ్యూట్ చేసాయి. లావణ్య సతీష్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేయాలని.
ఒక్క నిమిషం మమ్మీ, యాడంత అర్థం కాలే.
రాసింది చూడు, లావణ్య సతీష్ అని రాసింది చూడు.
ఓకే. అన్మ్యూట్ పన్నీర్ కే మ్యామ్.
I did, Chetana. Thank you. Hello, everybody. Hi, cuties.
Say hi.
Hi, alla little Buddhas. சூப்பரா கிளாஸ் அட்டெண்ட் பண்றீங்க. நான் டெய்லி கிளாஸ் கேட்பேன். ரொம்ப ஜாலியா இருக்கு உங்க கிளாஸ். நான் கூட மெடிடேட் பண்ணிட்டே இருப்பேன். நீங்க பண்ணும்போது ஆன்ட்டிக்கு நிறைய எனர்ஜிஸ் கிடைக்கும். சரியா? எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியா இருக்கு நீங்க பண்றதெல்லாம் பார்க்கும்போது. சூப்பர் சூப்பர் சூப்பர். சரி, இன்னைக்கு ஆன்ட்டி உங்களுக்கு ஒரு டிப் கொடுக்க போறேன். நீங்க எல்லாரும் பிரில்லியண்டா, சூப்பர் டேலண்டடா, ஸ்மார்ட்டா இருக்கணுமா? எல்லாரும் கை காட்டுங்க.
எஸ் எஸ்.
You want to be a brilliant, smart, sharp? அதுக்கு ஒரு டிப் ஆன்ட்டி கொடுக்க போறேன். என்னன்னா, இது லாஃப்டர் தெரப்பி. என்ன லாஃப்டருக்கும் மைண்டுக்கும் என்ன சம்பந்தம் இருக்குன்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா, நம்ம ரொம்ப சிரிக்கும் போது நம்ம நிறைய ஆக்சிஜனை உள்ள எழுப்போம். ஆக்சிஜன் சப்ளை.
Can you speak in English? Few other language children's also there.
Okay. Ipo, then now, so I'll speak in English now. When we laugh more, we will inhale more oxygen. So body will get more oxygen supply. And brain will also get more oxygen. If more oxygen is there, your brain became very sharp, brilliant. You will become brilliant and you can think very clearly. So kids, you have to be very happy and laughing all the times. Okay, so now you are very little and you will do that. And when you grow big, then also you have to keep the laughing. Okay, you have to be happy and laugher. Okay, you make your family laughter. Okay, laughter yoga I'll teach you today. We'll all do together. And what you guys do, you make your family happy. Okay, whenever I teach this to my kid, okay, he enjoys very much. And whenever we are very low and very bored, he'll ask me, Mama, please, Ma, we'll do that laughter therapy, laughter yoga, we'll do. And we all sit together and enjoy it. Okay, shall we start? Ma'am, can you please unmute everybody so that they can laugh and hear us? Hear them.
Yes. Chetana?
So if all can go to gallery view, you know how to go to gallery view, kids?
Everybody or in mobiles only?
Oh, everybody can mobile. Mobile also they can see the gallery view.
Mobile we don't have option, I think.
It's there. Okay.
In only laptop we have that option.
Okay. If they see all children's laughing, right, they will laugh more. So it's okay. Chetana,
unmute ma andarni. She went somewhere, I think. Wait, I will see.
last.
Unmuted, mummy.
Okay.
Ma'am, you unmuted ourselves.
Children, quiet and follow the instructions.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Now we are going to do
1 minute, ma'am. 1 minute.
okay. Okay, shall we start?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we are going to do a milkshake. Which milkshake do you like? Chocolate, banana, apple, strawberry? Okay, whatever you like, you make it. Okay then. Okay, we'll all do that. So now we are mixing. Okay, we ourselves is mixing now. Okay, we'll add. If you want juice, add water. Okay, how you add water? Like that you pour. You're pouring water. You do the sound. Or milk. Whichever guys you like, you do that. Okay, add milk, add fruits, strawberry, blueberry, or mango, or chocolate. Anything you want. So now we are going to mix it. How we are going to mix it? We are mixing now. So mix it. Yeah. Yes. Shake.
Oh, yes.
Then only you'll get a yummy milkshake. Do. Yes. Super. All do it. You'll enjoy this game. Okay. You don't laugh.
You can lock everyone.
So you laugh. Get ready. Okay.
Chetana, unmute cheyi.
Okay, our milkshake is ready now. We are going to drink it. How we are going to drink? While drinking also you laugh. Like that, okay? I given a demo. Now you drink. You guys drink it. Drink your milkshake. You prepared it for yourself. Yummy. Yay! Super milkshake. Enjoyed it? Okay.
Yeah.
Then banana.
Banana.
Okay, you want to do banana?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we have 3 bananas. Okay. 3 bananas we have. One is bigger size banana and another is normal size banana and another is tiny little banana. Okay, we are going to peel it and have it. How you are going to peel it? See, while peeling, you have to laugh like this. Like that will make sound. Okay. So we are going to do big banana. This size banana you have. Okay, now see this much big banana you have to peel with all your effort. Only if you laugh, the banana will open. Okay. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to eat this whole banana at one stretch. Yummy. Now, normal size banana, this size banana, okay? Normally we'll have at home, right? That size banana, okay? Now I'm going to gulp it now. Okay, then tiny little banana. This much banana we have, okay? So I'll show you how to open this, okay? Do it with a sound. Do it with a sound. Then you'll enjoy, okay? Yummy, yummy banana. I love it. So this is the banana. Milkshake of the Vera happy. Okay. So happy is a very healthiest thing. Okay. You do laughing all the time and you'll enjoy it. Okay. You can read better, do meditation better, and you'll have the sharpest mind. Okay. Make all your family members laugh. And remember, don't laugh at anyone for their mistakes. That is very bad. So you can laugh without any reason. So, okay? Done? Okay. So now I'm going to tell a little story. Small story. Okay. You guys love to listen stories, right? Okay. I'll tell one story. This is some long ago story. When there was a king, okay, ruling that city. And in that, okay, some travelers are there. They are traveling by a cart. That time there was very huge rain coming up, and one of the travelers' cart has been broken down. Okay, so he was seeing the road all the sides. It was very dark and he don't know where to go, and he was very scared because it was pitch dark and it is raining, pouring. And then in the long way, he saw one light. Okay, he saw very light and he was very happy. Okay, he ran to that, near to the light, and there he saw there are many travelers who are taking rest there. Okay, then he also decided to spend that night there itself. It was a very safe place, so he decided to stay there. He was very hungry. He didn't have food for a long time. He thought he'll reach the city and then have food. But since it is very raining and his cart was broken, he couldn't reach the city. So he was very hungry, and everybody had their meal packed and they were having it. Okay, and by seeing this one guy and everybody were having, he didn't have food, anything. So he was very hungry. So what you guys will do? Definitely you're very good guys, right? Kids, right? You'll share their food, right? Like that, there were 2 uncles. They were ready to share their food with that person. Okay, they all sat together in the circle and they were chanting. Okay, and then they started to have. One uncle had 7 rotis and another had 5 rotis. So they don't know how to share and how to divide. And one person who broken down the cart, right, that person told, we'll add together and divide it equally. So they added 7 plus 5. They totally got 12. And then equally they ate 3. Sorry, 4. They ate. They ate nicely. And then they and they were talking about their family's life, how they are enjoying the life, and they spent the night little bit, and then they slept happily. And then when the morning sun rises, everything became normal, and the broken cart guy was there, right? He was ready to go and get some help to get ready the cart, and he thanked both of them for their food and the company, and he gave some reward also. He gave 8 gold coins to them and asked them to divide between them, and he left. He had very urgent work, so he left immediately. And so these two guys had 8 coins, and the guy who gave 7 rotis wanted it to be 5, and the other one he gave 3, and he's not accepting that. He wanted equally. Whatever we have, we both shared and helped that guy to have it, and now you are giving me less money. I don't accept it. And he want to be equal. He said, I gave more roti, so I want more money. This quarrel has become so long, and they don't know how to solve it. So they reached their king. The king was very loyal. He's super intelligent, and he's very good man. He's very helping nature. All the people in the city love the king. So the king attended this argument, and he don't know which guy he have to give. Both are helped the guy, so he won't want to hurt any of them, and he don't know how to give. So he thought and thought, then he decided, okay, let me think for a night and then tell you a justice tomorrow. And they left, and in that, king was very disturbed by this action, and he don't know how to give, how much to separate. And he remembered his guru's voice. Yes, you have to meditate when you are very disturbed and don't know which decision to take. He remembered that and immediately sat for a meditation. He sat for meditation for longer time. All his problems and all got dissolved, and his mind very cleared. Even though he didn't get that solution, he was very happy and went happily to sleep. In that sleep, he got a dream, and in the dream, the universe was telling the solution. He listened the solution, and he was very energetic and very happy next day. Okay, without telling the justice to anyone, he was eagerly waiting for the 2 people to come inside. Once they come inside, he told, okay, who gave 7 rotis? I gave 7 rotis. The guy replied, okay, you take 6 coins. And the guy who gave 5 rotis gave 2 coins to him. He was very shocked. King, he himself gave me 3 coins. I was fighting for 4, but you gave me only 2 coins. How can this be possible? This is injustice and all he was telling. I'll explain you why I gave you 2 rupees. Okay. You gave 5 rotis, but in that 4 rotis, you yourself had it. Only 1 roti you gave, and that guy gave 3 rotis. So that's the reason I gave him 6 coins, gold coins, and 2 yours. So now you understood. So how much ever we help, that much multiplied, that much the universe will give to us. Okay, universe will never do any mistakes. The universe will be very clear, and it knows how much you does. You don't need to tell to anybody. Even though you don't tell it, you do all the work silently. Universe knows it, and it gives you back the same thing. If you done good deed, you will get very good deed. Okay, you will take the mistake. First, it will try to teach you a lesson. If you are not listening, it will again and again teach you a lesson, because it won't punish anybody, because we all are their children. You know, it won't punish it until you are very resistant and not ready to learn it. Okay, always learn and then help others. You are very good children, right? Always do the good deed to everybody. Okay, yes, thank you.
Let us clap, children. Very nice story, ma'am.
Thank you.
And very good message also. And laughing therapy. Are you a yoga, ma'am? Yoga teach பண்றீங்களா?
இல்லைங்க, யோகால இது எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருந்தது. ஆன்லைன்ல பாக்கும்போது நான் வீட்ல அடிக்கடி செய்வேன். சோ எல்லாம் ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியா ஃபீல் பண்ணுவோம் அது செஞ்சு முடிச்சா. அதனால இன்னைக்கு எல்லாரும் ஷேர் பண்ணலாம்னு சொல்லிட்டு.
Yeah, very useful because children, that laughing therapy is very, very, very important because when we laugh, our body generates good hormones. So you should follow this. Laughing therapy is very nice. Actually, children always laugh, I know, but our parents won't laugh. You make all family together in one group and everybody sit and laugh like this for a few minutes or 5 or 10 minutes, it will be enough. If you laugh, no, good hormones will secrete in yourself. Okay, let us do everyone. Chetana, unmute Che. Let us do this every day, okay?
Unmute
Laughing
it.
is very, yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Say thank you to ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, thank you.
నేను వింటాను నువ్వు చూడు పాపా.
Chetana, ఇంకా unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you share something good happened to your son in this session after joining this session? Any changes, any experiences?
Yeah, he daily, every day shares the experiences. It was very nice. He sits in the night. He sits in the night every day, but we have to remind him.
Yeah, that's our duty. Okay.
Yeah, that I'll do that, or his father will do, and we all sit in meditation. He'll do 10 minutes meditation and then sleep. He's giving like he's very happy after this, and he makes his friends also to join in meditation. He teaches meditation to everyone.
Wow, very nice, very nice.
This will happen to you, that will happen to you, he tells. He has to improvise. It will happen, not automatically it will happen.
He always says he's going in car, he's racing in car. Always his experience is like that only.
He loves car. From the very younger age, he used to identify all the car brand names, everything. He's very fantasy about cars.
Maybe he will become racer afterwards in future.
He says that he will become a good automobile engineer, and he'll try to develop a new car which is environmental friendly. The solar powers he do. That's what he's still always.
Very good, Vidyut. Very good. You want to say your experience today, Vidyut?
Yes, ma'am.
You can say like that itself. I am hearing you. I can hear you. Yeah, today's experience.
You got any experience?
Yeah.
What? Tell it to your friends.
I was jumping on the moon.
Very nice, very nice.
Very good.
Which class are you studying?
Third standard.
Okay. School?
Titan school.
Hosur, we are in Hosur, madam.
Oh, you are in Hosur. Okay. I thought you are all in Chennai itself. Many people from Andhra Pradesh.
You're mute. You are in mute. No. In mute lo undarra. Illa.
Hosur near Bangalore, that only, no?
Yeah. The same Hosur. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for joining.
We also speak English and Telugu in our home. That's why we got connected to PSM.
Oh, but you know Tamil also.
Yeah, Tamil I know.
Okay, very good.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you. And children, anybody wants to share your experience? Raise hands. I think Kavya told. Chetana, unmute Che Kavya.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Kavya.
Today my experience is, ma'am, I show magic to so many people, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
And they said you are doing so nice magic.
Oh, they appreciate you.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, again, I am getting here pain, ma'am, neck pain, ma'am, so much heavily.
Neck pain or something healing is going there. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't worry. Nothing is happening. Chetana, next year undarama?
Ma'am,
Yes, Madhumita.
I got wings, ma'am.
Oh, wow.
And I flying on a sky, ma'am.
Excellent, excellent. You became like a angel. Today you became angel. Yeah. Then what you saw? Mute. Yeah.
Ma'am, and I saw clouds and birds, ma'am.
Wow, very nice. Very nice. Suraksha మాట్లాడాలా? Okay, wait. Suraksha కూడా చేతనా? Yes, Suraksha, మాట్లాడు.
Yes, నాకు experience butterfly, miss.
మళ్ళీ? అంతేనా? Okay, very good. And children, I want everybody's experience video, so please send fast. Okay?
Ma'am, I had sent, ma'am.
Kavya, you send in Telugu once again. Everybody speak in your respective language, either Telugu, either Tamil, either English or Hindi, any language is okay, but speak properly and correctly. Okay? Hindi children also there, you can speak your experience in your mother tongue. Okay? Everybody okay? Understood, children? Jia, you also send. You can speak in Hindi. Okay? Good. Now we will go for some.
Rishya, type on chat box. We are not able to hear your voice.
Okay, today we will see some little things. Few good message. Ma'am given through that story, she has given very nice message. What is that message? When we are in any confusion, any depression, any mood off, we should do meditation. Understood? When we have confusion, when we are angry, when we are sad, any emotions, you should do meditation. When you do meditation, all your unwanted emotions will settle down and your mind will become clear and you will get the solution. இப்போ நமக்கு எல்லாருக்குமே எப்போ கன்ஃபியூஷன் இருந்தாலும் எந்த வேலை எந்த கவலைகள் இருந்தாலும் நாம எதுவும் பண்ணாம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் தியானம் பண்ணிடணும். தியானம் பண்ண உடனே அந்த கவலைகள் எல்லாமே கிளியர் ஆயிடும். அப்போ நாம டெசிஷன் எடுக்கணும். இப்ப அந்த கதையில ராஜா என்ன பண்ணாரு? டெசிஷன் கொடுக்க முடியல. So he sat in meditation. In meditation, his mind became empty. Then he got the solution. Understood, children? Show everyone. Whoever understood, show this. Good. So, in our life also, if we have any confusions, if we have any angry, if you become angry, if you are mood off, if you are any unwanted emotions, if you have, you should do meditation immediately to release everything. When you are carrying bad emotions, what will happen? I already told. If you carry bad emotions, your body will secrete unwanted hormones. That hormones will lesser your immune system and it harms your body. And that harm will become, in few days, it will become like a disease. Understood? So if you are in angry for half an hour, okay children, are you listening to me? If you are angry for half an hour, your body secretes bad hormones for half an hour. So for half an hour, if you are angry, you are harming your body itself. இப்போ யாரெல்லாம் இப்போ கோமா இருக்கீங்க யாராவது நினைச்சுக்கோங்க, நீங்க ஒரு 1 hour இல்ல half an hour கோவமா இருக்கீங்க அப்படின்னா அந்த half an hour 1 hour உங்க பாடிக்குள்ள கெட்ட ஹார்மோன்ஸ் வந்து ரிலீஸ் பண்ணும். அப்போ நீங்க கோமா இருக்கிற எவ்வளவு நேரம் இருக்கீங்களோ அவ்வளவு நேரம் உங்களுக்கு நீங்களே கெடுதல் பண்ணிக்கிறீங்க. புரியுதா? You are harming yourself if you are in bad habits, bad mood, if you are angry, if you have jealous, if you are teasing someone, if you cheat someone, if you do any bad things, what happens? Your body secretes bad hormones. So if you doing bad things to others, what happens? Your body is harming you. Okay, understood? இப்போ ஒரு வேண்டாத விஷயங்கள் நாம பண்றோம். இப்போ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நம்ம இந்த செஷன்ல எடுத்துக்கலாம். சில பேர் வந்து வேணும்ட்டு இதுல வந்து சேட்டை பண்றாங்க, கிறுக்கிறது, இல்ல டிஸ்டர்பிங் த செஷன், டூயிங் சம்திங் மிஸ்சீஃப். ஸோ இப்போ இந்த மிஸ்சீஃப் எல்லாம் பண்ணும்போது என்ன ஆகுது? நம்ம அவங்க பாடிக்குள்ளேயே பேட் ஹார்மோன்ஸ் கிரியேட் ஆகுது. அப்ப என்ன ஆகுது? அவங்களே they are doing harming themselves. அவங்களே கெடுதல் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க. புரியுதா? யாருக்கு புரியுது? இப்போ நமக்கு பழைய காலத்துல எல்லாம் நம்ம பெரியவங்க எல்லாம் என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா, பாவங்கள் தான் நம்மளோட பாவம் மீன்ஸ் bad karmas is our disease, good karmas is our health. Okay, unmute yourself. Everybody should be bad karmas. Wait.
Bad karmas.
Bad karmas are our diseases.
Bad karmas.
Health and prestige, anything you can say. Good karmas are our health. Bad karmas are our disease. When you do little, நீங்க கொஞ்சமா பாவம் பண்ணீங்கன்னா கொஞ்சம் நோய் வரும். நிறைய பாவம் பண்றீங்க அப்படின்னா பெரிய நோய் வரும். Chronic disease you will get. If you do little பாவம் in what is in English, I don't know. If you do bad karmas, little bad karmas, you will get small diseases. Big bad karmas like you cheating others, you are doing robbery, you are killing someone. These all very big bad karmas. When you do bad karmas in large, you will get chronic diseases. Understood, children? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Bad karmas leads to diseases. Bad karmas leads to health, happiness, prosperity, everything. Okay. We can see all over the world some robbers are there, some murderers are there. So they are all doing bad karmas. So always they are harming their body also. So they will get lot of diseases. Okay. Okay, we will move on to. Let us play game today.
Yes, miss.
Everyone are hearing my voice properly?
Ma'am, seven chakras, ma'am.
Even.
Ma'am, we can take
Which one? Which one? Can do this like full hand also. Steps. Climbing steps.
Ma'am, it is so hard, ma'am.
And what is our next game, sir?
Next game, okay,
Ma'am, this game, ma'am. Ma'am, this game. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, okay. Everybody together. 1,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
then another hand.
1, 2,
One more time. Your hand should be very straight. Then only it will look nice. Shoulder should not like this. Lift your shoulders properly. Lift your shoulders straight. Shoulder straight. Then hand down. This should be like a rectangle box. Your face should be seen in that rectangle. Your face should be seen properly in this rectangle. Actually, this is a dance movement. If you do this properly, within the timing, everything, you follow the timing and you do fastly, it's a good movement, dance movement. And next, Chaitanya. Yeah, this one. Hardik, you don't know? No, not like this. This, like this. Fingers should be full open. Today I will teach some new thing. Do you know birds? We will do birding. Very simple. This, cross like this. Hands. Okay. Cross like this. 2 fingers join. Now, yeah. Full straight.
Ma'am, I know
You
this
should not bend
already,
your
ma'am.
hands. Huh?
Ma'am, we know that already, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, already we know, ma'am.
No, okay, no problem. Don't bend. You can fly like this. Bird is flying. These 2 fingers should hold like this. And everybody knows.
Ma'am, I know butterfly also.
Dancers don't know. You can do hold like this. One hand.
Butterfly.
And other this.
Ma'am,
So everyone, nobody's getting one hand like this.
ma'am, I'm getting
Just match this, that's all. Yeah. Dash properly. Front side, not back side. Front. Yes. This hand straight. Fingers should be straight.
Ma'am, this is correct, ma'am.
Yeah, good.
Ma'am,
Straight should like this. Straight. This should be straight.
Ma'am,
Yes, this should be like this. You just throw the hand crossly. That's all. This is the bird sitting on a stem. Okay, enough for today. session is over. Chetana?